Getting started with one 21-ounce can of blueberry filling. We'll quickly come in and we're just gonna spread that delicious blueberry goodness all over the bottom of our baking dish. Whew, yeah, baby. Now I'm gonna come in with a little bit of lemon cake mix, and watch this, you guys. I'm only gonna pour half of the box of cake mix right on top of all of this blueberry pie filling. So we're using half of the cake box on top of the blueberry, and let's see, I'd say that's about half right there. Now this is where it gets really good. Grab yourself a block of Philadelphia cream cheese. And I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna try this to see if my kitchen shears work. Oh, perfectly. Okay, so here's the trick, you guys. Take the cream cheese, put it in the freezer for a couple minutes before you're gonna use it, and then that way, when you go to use it, you can just take your kitchen shears or your knife, whatever easier, but it makes the cream cheese so much easier to cut into pieces without it just smashing and being super, super soft. So that is my little hack for cream cheese there. What do you guys do? Have you ever done that before? As the whole block goes right into the cake. Okay, so we're just gonna keep doing that. We're gonna cut up the cream cheese all onto this little layer of cake mix we have. All right, you guys, setting down our last piece of cream cheese. That looks great. It doesn't have to be perfect. Trust me, it's gonna taste delicious. Now we're gonna take the rest of the cake mix and we're gonna dump it right on top of that cream cheese. So just work your way from back to front. Try to distribute that cake mix as best as possible. Okay, there we go. Just gonna evenly kind of spread out that. Now, of course, I used lemon and I have some blueberry on the bottom. So we have lemon and blueberry here, but you could use other flavor combinations of cake. You could use other pie filling, and tell me all about it. I wanna know in the comments. Moving right along, I have a stick of butter, which equals half of a cup. And you know the drill. We're just gonna come through and we're just gonna stick a couple of little pieces of butter right on top of the cake mix now. So we have a layer of blueberry pie filling. We have half of a box of lemon cake mix. We have a block of cream cheese that we just cut up and placed on top of that. We finished off with the box of cake mix, and now we are topping it with some butter. Oof, that's what I'm talking about, you guys. The butter is gonna melt. It's gonna go into the cake mix along with the cream cheese. And what do you know, when it's all done, we are gonna have ourselves the easiest blueberry lemon cream cheese cake. Oh, I can't wait. Stick around and see how it turns out. Oh my goodness, can we just take a moment for this? Oh, that golden brown crust looks amazing. I can see the cream cheese, it's gonna be so good. It smells like summer. Blueberries and lemon cake. Oh, I let it cool down a little bit because I wanted to be able to come in here and just dig in and get myself a big bite. Look at that blueberry just coming out of that cake. And the cream cheese, wow, that looks super, super tasty. You see all that in there? Oh my goodness, those are like some of my favorite things right there. Cream cheese, blueberry, lemon cake. This combination is killer. So I want that creamy cream cheese along with that buttery cake, the blueberry, the lemon. Oh. Can I have a scented candle in this scent, please? Do we have any candle makers out there? I need a blueberry lemon cake candle. All right. Divine. I'm not surprised. It's one of my favorite easy cake mix. You just dump it together. What do we use? 4 ingredients. Let's see, we have the blueberry, the cream cheese, the cake, and the butter. That's 4 ingredients, you guys. It won't break the bake. Anybody can make this. The cream cheese, that's where it's at. That's the added touch. This is bomb.com right here, you guys. If you need an easy dessert, this has your name written all over it. Let me know if you change this up in any way, if you'd use a different pie filling, a different cake mix. I don't know. What's your cup of tea? Tell me in the comments, you guys, and I'll see you later. Enjoy.